Mom, I'm going to the mall today.
With your friends?
Yes, we want to watch a movie and eat lunch together.
The mall? Really?
Yes.
I want to come too.
No, Lena, not today.
Why not?
I'm going with my friends. You will get bored.
I will not get bored, I promise.
We are going to gaming stores and sports shops.
That's okay, I like the mall.
Lena, it's not a kid's trip.
I'm not a kid.
You are still small.
I can walk by myself.
That's not the problem.
Then what is the problem?
You always run everywhere.
I will not run today.
And you always want toys and ice cream.
Just looking is free. Please take me. I don't want to stay home alone.
You can watch TV.
That's boring.
Read a book.
Even more boring.
Lena, fine.
Go, leave me here alone.
Don't start your drama.
I'm not doing drama.
Then why are you making that sad face?
Because I am sad.
Lena,
Everyone goes to the mall. Only I stay at home.
that's not true.
It feels true. It's okay. I will just sit here all day.
Stop acting like that.
I'm not acting.
You are.
If you don't want me, just say it.
That's not what I said.
Then take me with you.
If you come, you must listen to me.
I will! I promise!
You must stay next to me all the time.
Yes!
No running, no disappearing,
I promise.
and no crying for toys.
Maybe small ice cream?
Lena.
Okay, no crying.
Fine, you can come.
Really?
Yes, but behave.
Thank you! You are the best brother ever!
I hope I don't regret this.
You won't! Today will be the best day ever! Wow.
What?
It's so big!
It's just a mall.
No, it's huge!
Stay close to me.
I am close.
Hold my hand.
I'm not a baby.
Then walk next to me.
Okay. Look at the lights!
Yes.
And the big screen!
That shows movie trailers.
Everything looks so beautiful. It smells so good.
That's chocolate.
Can we go inside?
Not now.
Just 1 minute?
Lena,
Okay. That dress is pretty.
keep walking.
I am walking.
Don't slow down.
I'm not slow.
My friends are not here yet.
Can we sit somewhere?
Yes, but stay next to me.
I will.
Wait, my friend is calling.
Okay.
Don't move. I won't.
It's so cute. I'll just look from outside. Wow. Just 1 minute.
Hello? Yes, I'm at the mall. Where are you? Oh, second floor? No, I'm near the cinema entrance. Okay, I understand. You are near the gaming store? Fine. I'll come there in 5 minutes. Yes, I brought my sister. She promised to behave. Yes. I hope so. Okay, see you soon. Lena? Lena, let's go. Lena? Lena? Lena! This is not funny. Where did she go? Oh no.
Wow. So many toys. You are so big. I wish I could hug you. Dolls. So many dolls. Hello, let's be friends. Oh, it talks. Cars, puzzles, robots. Maybe I can just show this to him. Wait, brother? He was outside. Brother? Brother? He was right here. Maybe he moved a little, brother? Oh no. I don't know this place. Did he leave me? I should not have come inside. I'm lost.
Hello, little lady. Are you okay?
I can't find my brother.
Don't worry. I am here to help. What's your name?
I'm Lena.
Okay, Lena. Can you tell me your brother's name?
Leo, my brother.
Do you know his phone number?
Yes, I remember.
Perfect. Thank you, Lena. I will call him right away.
Will he find me soon?
Yes, he will. Stay with me. You are safe.
Thank you. I'm a little scared.
Hello? Is this Leo? Yes, who is this? I am the security guard at the mall. Your sister Lena is with me.
What? Lena? Is she safe?
Yes, sir. She was looking at toys and got a little lost.
Oh no. Thank you so much for helping her. Where should I come?
Please come to the toy shop entrance. We will wait for you there.
I am coming right now!
Leo, you came.
Lena, are you okay? I was so scared.
I'm fine. I just wanted to see the teddy bears. I didn't think that.
Lena, don't ever wander alone like that again. You scared me so much.
I'm sorry, Leo. I didn't mean to.
I know, Lena. It's okay. I'm just happy you're safe. She is very brave, sir. She stayed calm with me. Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate your help.
I was really scared.
I know, Lena. But don't worry. I'm here now. You don't have to be afraid anymore.
I promise I won't go anywhere alone.
That's my little sister. Let's go have some ice cream now. Here you go, Lena. Your favorite chocolate ice cream.
Thank you, Leo. I was really scared just now.
I know I was scared too. I thought I might lose you in the mall.
I didn't mean to. I just wanted to see the toys.
It's okay. I understand. But you have to promise me one thing.
What, Leo?
Promise me you won't wander off alone again. Always stay where I can see you.
I promise. I won't do it again.
That's my little sister. You are safe now, and we can enjoy the rest of our day.
This is yummy.
Ice cream always makes everything better, right?
Yes, I feel much better now.
See? Even after a scary moment, we can still have fun.
Thank you, Leo. I love spending time with you. I love spending time with you, Leo.
I love spending time with you too, Lena. And remember, no more wandering off alone.
I won't.